السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الإعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
I understand it, but I don't speak it well. I understand it, but I don't speak it well.
Where do you go on Sunday? Where do you go on Sunday?
I go to visit my grandfather. I go to visit my grandfather.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
I don't have any pets. I don't have any pets.
How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus.
Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like swimming. Yes, I like swimming.
What time do you have lunch? What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12. I have lunch at 12.
What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now?
I'm driving to work. I'm driving to work.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't ride a bike. No, I can't ride a bike.
Did you watch a movie yesterday? Did you watch a movie yesterday?
Yes. I watched a movie yesterday. Yes. I watched a movie yesterday.
Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday?
I went shopping yesterday. I went shopping yesterday.
What is your dream job? What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a doctor. My dream job is to be a doctor.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes. I enjoy cooking. Yes. I enjoy cooking.
When do you have English classes? When do you have English classes?
I have English classes on Sunday. I have English classes on Sunday.
What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter. My favorite season is winter.